Thank you for joining me today, and you're watching Sundays with Amee.
Today we'll be making a spicy cream spaghetti bake. It'll be sure to tingle your taste buds.
To make this dish, you will need 12 ounces of thin spaghetti, a block of cream cheese, a 4-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 3 garlic cloves, a pound of beef, 1 small onion chopped, your favorite spaghetti sauce, and your cheese. I used Italian cheese blend. Let's get to cooking. Okay, first of all, we're going to add our spaghetti to a pot of already boiling water. And then now we're going to start on our meat sauce. So we're going to add our beef and our onion to the pot. And we're going to brown that. Once the meat is brown, you can drain the excess grease, and then we're going to add our spaghetti sauce. Okay, we're just going to stir this really good so it's all mixed well. Okay, once it's all mixed, we're going to add a lid to it, and we're going to set it aside and work on our other sauce that's going to go with the spaghetti. Okay, so first of all, we're going to add a little olive oil to our pan. And we're going to saute the garlic. Once your garlic's nice and toasty, we're going to add a block of softened cream cheese. We're going to add our jalapenos. Okay, once this is all melted together, we're going to turn the heat off and we will drain our pasta. To our cooked, drained pasta, I'm going to add this cream cheese mixture.
Le onde rispondono al mio pensiero, sono parole senza sentiero. Io cucino ma in fondo spero che l'amore si senta in ogni sentiero.
And we're going to add it to a casserole dish. I'm just going to give it a quick spray with this olive oil. And we're going to put the pasta in there.
Nel mio silenzio tutto è parlato, il giorno di sole è già salato, primavera ride nel fiato dorato e io vivo qui nel piatto amato.
Now we'll add our meat sauce.
La la li la la la, oh mamma mia, la la li la la la, oh mamma mia.
Spread that on top of it. It's all around it really good. And then we'll add our shredded cheese. And this dish is actually going with me to a potluck we're having at church today. We have one once a month. So, while our dish is in the oven, I wanted to tell you what my favorite Bible verse is. I actually have this on my wall in my living room. It says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart." And it's Proverbs 3:5-6. And the whole verse is, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge Him in all ways and He shall direct your paths." The spaghetti is out of the oven, so we're going to uncover it and see what it looks like. Whew, it smells so good. I cannot wait to try it. Well, that concludes our Sundays with Amee. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next Sunday. Have a great day.